I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, played with the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then A minor, played with the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then D minor, played with the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. And then G major, played with the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Of course, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song. You will find the link in the description box. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table. So take the C major and play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so 1 bass, 2 chord, and 3 bass note solo twice, and 4 chord. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And you're gonna do this with all the other chords. So A minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4. D minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And G major, 1, 2, and 3, 4. The whole table would give you this. So guitar melody, C, D, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So just play this table once to complete the introduction. And then you will reach the first verse, and as you can see, we'll be keeping the same chord order and the same method. So directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Can you show me? And repeat this table one last time to complete the verse. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Next, you'll have the pre-chorus with the same chord order, but for this section, you can just play the chords once and hold them like this. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. Chorus. So play this table once and then you will reach the chorus, and again it's gonna be the same order, but now you will play 4 bass notes instead of 3. So same beginning, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 4th bass. Okay? The A minor the same way. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and D minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and G major, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. With the lyrics, it should sound like this. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only. And repeat this table one last time to complete the chorus. And then just replay everything you played from the introduction and you will be able to play this song entirely. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.